How do you make money with Digital Wealth Academy? By signing others up to Digital Wealth Academy. What do you learn inside Digital Wealth Academy? Well, how to promote Digital Wealth Academy. Are people getting results with Digital Wealth Academy? Well, yes, by successfully duping others into joining Digital Wealth Academy. But let's just say, if it walks like a pyramid scheme, if it quacks like a pyramid scheme, well, you get the idea.
It's not a pyramid scheme. It's not even a scheme per se.
Oh no, he didn't.
Oh yes, I did. And I have to, because let's be honest, there's so much hype, outlandish claims, big and bold claims on social media right now about become a millionaire overnight, live the lifestyle that you want just by buying into Digital Wealth Academy. I mean, come on, this is a hype bubble that's ready to burst any day now. But should you join and try to make money with Digital Wealth Academy before the hype bubble bursts? Well, in this Digital Wealth Academy review, I'm going to cut through the crap in my usual no-nonsense style and give it to you straight, because if you're sitting there deciding whether or not to join, then you deserve the unbiased truth. And full disclosure, I have no affiliation, no partnership, no sponsorship or anything like that, so I'm in a great place to be able to do that. But before I show you inside the training area and we get into all the nitty-gritty of Digital Wealth Academy, let me just quickly give you a way better alternative if you're sitting there and you're serious about making money online. So Wealthy Affiliate is the all-in-one online business platform that's going to give you step-by-step training, the cutting-edge tools and all the help and support you need to be a massive success online. I joined Wealthy Affiliate 10 years ago, and I can honestly say it was one of the best decisions I ever made. I've gone on to build several highly profitable and successful online businesses and made hundreds of thousands of dollars online. And now, thanks to the income my businesses generate, I now live life on my own terms here in Bangkok, Thailand. So I can tell you firsthand that the Wealthy Affiliate training works. So hit up that link in the description and get started today. And I know that whatever your online income goals are, you'll be fully equipped to actually make them happen. All right, back to the review. So Digital Wealth Academy is really popular right now because everybody is promoting it. And everybody who joins is then promoting it, and then they sign up more people who promote it, and on it goes. So there are over 70,000 Digital Wealth Academy students right now, and that's growing every day. So what exactly is Digital Wealth Academy? Well, if we go on digitalwealthacademy.com, it calls itself the ultimate digital marketing course and automation course that will teach you different ways to monetize as a complete beginner with digital marketing. And there's a list here of all the different things: affiliate marketing, content creation, all the things that you're going to learn inside the course. And it was created by Rachel Medero. Here's her Instagram account. So Rachel says she's a 29-year-old wife and mother to a 6-year-old boy, and she's got a 1-year-old baby girl. And she kind of went through the struggles of, trying different online business models and side hustles until she really found something that worked. She started doing digital marketing and digital products just in last year, 2023, and she made 7 figures in the first 6 months, which is very, very impressive. And she says, there's nothing special about her. She just did the right strategy. She followed the right kind of proven model, and that's exactly what she's teaching here in the Digital Wealth Academy course. And fair play to Rachel. I mean, I've got a massive amount of respect for anybody who can actually succeed online, because it's not easy. There is a lot of confusing information out there, and for somebody this young and with a mother of 2 to accomplish the kind of results that she's done is very, very impressive and admirable. All right, so now let me give you a sneak peek inside the members area. So there are 30 training modules in total, and the course has lessons that cover everything from like digital marketing, how to set up sales funnels, branding and driving traffic, right? Traffic is going to be the life source of any online business, and primarily focusing on getting traffic through social media. So that's the training, and there's also a very active school community with a couple of 100 people joining every single day. Like I said, this is a very popular course right now, and they have different school communities in different languages, which I think is kind of cool. Like you've got French, German and Spanish as well. So I've been through the entire course, and here's what I will say. The training is very good and the training actually works. But here's the kicker. The main thrust, the main purpose, the main goal of the Digital Wealth Academy training is to show you how to promote Digital Wealth Academy. Like, I'm not joking about this, I'm being deadly serious. This is what it's all about. So we're going to talk more about that next, because to me that's a massive red flag. But now let's go on to talk about the cost. So Digital Wealth Academy costs just a one-time fee of $497, and that's going to come with full resale rights. So that means that you can buy the course for $497 and then promote the course, sell the course, and keep 100% of the profits. So in theory, you invest that initial $497, all you have to do is make one sale, sell that course to someone else for $497, and you're going to make your money back, and then every sale after that is going to be pure profit. And if $497 seems like a big amount, because it is, then they do offer a 3-month installment plan as well, so you can pay $165 a month. But just be aware that you're not going to be able to promote the course or resell the course until you've paid in full. So is Digital Wealth Academy a scam? Well, honestly, I would say this is kind of one of those borderline cases. I can't say it's 100% scam, but I'm not going to say it's 100% legit either. But I mean, people are making money with this. It does show you how to start making sales online. So in that way, it is legit. Is Digital Wealth Academy a pyramid scheme? Well, I kind of have to say, yes, it is. And please don't get angry at me for saying that. I'm just have to say it as it is. The main purpose of Digital Wealth Academy is to teach people how to resell Digital Wealth Academy. So in that sense, it's just not a good long-term or sustainable business model. I mean, if you get in early enough right now when it's still new and shiny and not everyone's heard of it yet, you could potentially make a lot of money with Digital Wealth Academy. The only thing is, though, is that as time goes on and more people join, and then more people start promoting it on their social media accounts, on Instagram, that kind of thing, people are going to get really sick of seeing the same promotions, the same kind of sales pages, and that kind of thing, and the conversions are just going to drop. People aren't going to be signing up at the level that they might be doing right now. So you just need to be aware of that. All right, so now let's talk about the harsh reality of what actually happens when the typical person signs up and joins Digital Wealth Academy, because this is something you're not going to hear on the other Digital Wealth Academy reviews, because they just want you to get signed up so that they can make the money back. So it starts off, you're shelling out $497 for this course, which, let's keep it real, let's be honest, that's not a small amount, that's a pretty hefty amount, to be fair. And then, that's going to give you full access to the course and the resale rights. So you go through the course, you learn how to promote Digital Wealth Academy in the hope that, you can make $497 every time somebody buys the course through your link. So you go all in, right? You go give it your all. You go out there and try and convince as many people as you possibly can. You spam your social media, you harass your followers and say, look, Digital Wealth Academy is the best way to make money online in the history of the internet, right? This is the answer to all your money-making worries. It's going to give you the dream lifestyle that you could only have ever dreamed of, in the hope that when someone signs up through your link, you can actually make some money back, right? Because you've already spent a lot of money, so you're trying to get some of that money back. The only problem is that, as I've already said, kind of as time goes on, you're going to be competing. You're already competing with 70,000 other students if you sign up today. It's probably more than that since I made this video. But as the days go on, you're going to be competing against more and more students, tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands. And that's when you're really going to start to struggle. All right, so should you buy Digital Wealth Academy? Well, at $497, to be honest, if you want my honest advice, I think it's quite expensive. I know there are definitely a lot more affordable options out there. And while some people might be getting results right now, I don't think that's going to continue for much longer. Because before you know it, the hype bubble that is Digital Wealth Academy is going to burst. The fizz that is surrounding it right now is going to fizzle out, and I think this video is going to age really, really well. If you're watching this video in 2025 or 2026, then you already know exactly what I'm talking about. Let's just say that this might not be the best long-term sustainable business model that you can actually build a strong financial future on, that's going to help you provide for your family for years and years to come. But if you're looking for something that's going to actually last, rather than just buying a course so you can promote the course so that somebody can buy the course and promote the course and on it goes, then I strongly recommend you go for something with a bit more staying power. And again, I've been with Wealthy Affiliate for over a decade now, and they've helped me build several successful businesses that have gone on to generate more than 6 figures and are still generating revenue for me to this day. So if you want to build something solid, hit that first link in the description and take your free test drive of Wealthy Affiliate. Come on, it makes sense.